Use a table of values to estimate the value of the limit. If you have a graphing device, use it to confirm your result graphically. Here is the function. We want to find a limit of x to the 6th minus 1 over x to the 10th minus 1 as x is approaching 1. So we'll go ahead and use a table here. We're going to put in our function. So our function is x1, and that's to the 6th power minus 1 divided by x1 raised to the 10th minus 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and put on our data values. So we have 0.5, 0.9, 0.95, 0.99, 0.999, 1.5, 1.1, 1.05, 1.01, and then 1.001. Okay, so those are our values here that we have. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste those into our table. So let's go ahead and take a look at this here. So if we want to find out what happens when we find the limit as x is approaching 1 from the left of this function of x to the 6th minus 1 over x to the 10th minus 1. So as it is approaching 1 from the left, we can see here that it ends up being at 0.6. And as the limit of x is approaching 1 from the right, we can see that it's also approaching 0.6. So since they are equal, we can say that the limit as x approaches 1 of the function x to the 6th minus 1 divided by x to the 10th minus 1 is equal to 0.6, which is also equal to the fraction of 3/5. So therefore, there is our estimate. Well, let's go ahead and confirm this on our graph. So we have x to the 6th minus 1 divided by x to the 10th minus 1. So let's take a look here. There is, it's about 0.6 there on our graph. So let's just verify this result here. So you can see here that the output here is at 0.6. So as we are approaching 1 from the left, then we can see that the function is getting towards 0.6. And as the function is going towards 1 from the right, we also see that it's approaching 0.6.